Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Good morning, everyone. How are you today?
Good morning, I'm good. And you?
Alhamdulillah, I'm good. Okay, I'm Misha Adelia Nurrahmayani and my partner
It's me, Reina Agista.
will present about business English. Okay, uh, can you share the material, Reina, please?
Okay.
Okay, wait a minute.
Waiting. Hmm, It's good.
No,
Now you can see.
belum ada ya?
Tapi di sini udah ya.
Belum.
Bisa?
Belum ada, kebetulan masih ini.
Masih belum ada.
Belum ada.
Tapi di sini udah.
Oke, nggak apa-apa. Dicoba lagi aja dulu.
Coba dulu ya. Stop share. Share again. You can see now?
Oke, it's clear.
Okay.
Oke, English business. Next slide. Okay, the table of content is the first one is management, work and motivation, recruitment, production, product, marketing, and quality. And I will discuss about management, work and motivation, recruitment, and production. Dan yang terakhirnya akan dibahas oleh Reina. Next slide. The first one is, what is management? Management is important. The success of value of companies, public sector, institution, and service, not for profit organizations, sport teams, and so on, often depend the quality of their manager. But what do managers do? One well-known classification of the tasks of a manager comes from Peter Drucker. Drucker was an American business professor and consultant who is often called things like the father of modern management. Next slide. What do you consider to be a good manager? Oke, jadi gimana sih caranya kita jadi manajer yang baik? Di sini ada 5 poin. For the first one is follow the company goals. Then help subordinate to accomplish their own goals and objectives. Help young college to develop. Know how to lead people. And the last, know how to motivate people. Next. Okay, management. Sector manager and directors decided how their organization can achieve or accomplish them. This involves developing strategies, plans, and precise tactics and allocating of people of money. Manager organize, they analyze and classify the activities of the organization and the relation among them. Skills of motivation and communication. They also have to communicate objective to people. Next slide. Yang kedua, di sini kita bahas tentang work and motivation. One of the most important responsibilities of a manager is to motivate the people who report to him or her. But how? What kind of things motivate you? Which of this motivator will be important for you in your choice of a job? Next slide. Yes, this classify good remuneration. Remuneration about salary, commission, bonus, perks. Next, good working relation with your line. And the next, good working condition. Next, job security. Next, the possibility of promotion. Next, a challenging job, responsibility, contact with people, a belief in what the organization does, a job in which you can make a difference, opportunities to travel, and long holidays or vacation. Next. Ya, selanjutnya kita bahas tentang rekrutmen. Jadi untuk merekrut seseorang itu, yang pertama tentunya kita harus melihat kurikulum vitae-nya. Dan apa aja sih yang ada di dalam kurikulum vitae? The first one is name, address, phone numbers, email. Itu jelas. Data pribadi kita itu jelas harus ada di dalam kurikulum vitae. Next, in kurikulum vitae itu harus objektif. Isinya itu harus objektif, harus sesuai sama yang kita alami. Next, work experience. Tentang pengalaman-pengalaman kita dalam bekerja, itu pun harus ada dalam kurikulum vitae. Next, education and qualification. Nah, misalnya kita pernah menempuh pendidikan di mana, kualifikasinya seperti apa, itu tuh harus jelas ada di dalam kurikulum vitae. Next, computer skills. Kita biasanya pakai persenan gitu ya. Kalau computer skills itu kita menguasai komputernya itu apa aja sih? Misalnya dalam Microsoft Word, berapa persen, seperti itu. Next, language. Jelas, kita menguasai bahasa apa aja. Itu pun akan menjadi nilai plus untuk manajer melihat ke kurikulum vitae kita. Next, hobbies and interest. Kita hobinya dalam hal apa? Kita tertariknya dalam bidang apa? And the last, reference. Next slide. Further tips for job interview. Ya, di sini ada tips-tips dalam job interview. For the first one is research the company. Jadi kalau kita mau masuk ke dalam sebuah perusahaan, kita benar-benar harus mencari tahu dulu tentang perusahaan itu, terus habit yang ada di dalamnya seperti apa, agar kita memiliki ilmu, agar kita memiliki wawasan yang luas tentang perusahaan itu. Then have complementary things to say about the company and its product of service. Ya, jelas. And then be confident and enthusiastic. Ya, kita juga harus percaya diri dan harus terlihat antusias ketika kita interview. And then be prepared to talk about your strength and weakness. Jadi kita juga harus mempersiapkan diri untuk berbicara apa aja kelebihan dan kelemahan kita. Is a question about difficult situation. Nah, kita juga harus bisa memperkirakan pertanyaan-pertanyaan sulit yang akan manajer tanyakan, HRD, then have example of successful experience. Kita juga harus memiliki contoh tentang pengalaman keberhasilan yang telah kita lakukan. And then next slide about production. The last production may be defined as a human activity that involves the making of physical goods and provision of service for the satisfaction of human wants. It is also seen as creation of utilities. Utility means the ability of goods and service to satisfy human wants. In a nutshell, production is any activity which gives service or change the form, place, or time of anything that is used to satisfy human needs. Ya, jadi production itu adalah kita memproduksi apa sih yang dibutuhkan oleh human atau manusia. Nah, kita juga dalam produksi ini harus benar-benar survei pasar, apa yang sedang orang-orang butuhkan, apa yang sedang orang-orang perlukan. Nah, di situ kita membuka peluang untuk memproduksi apa yang akan kita jual atau sell. Next, poin selanjutnya akan dilanjutkan oleh Reina Agista. Time is yours.
Yeah, thank you, Nisa. I will tell you about product and wait. Okay, and I will tell you about next. My friend talking about.
Sorry, Reina, share screen-nya belum terlihat ya?
You can see? You can see now?
No. No.
Okay, you can see?
Okay, it's clear.
The next, I will talking about material. The discussed material here is about business English. I will explain about product, marketing, and quality. In business English, product, we have definition according to expect, product concept, product classification and type, and product tiers. And in marketing, we have definition of marketing, function and benefit of marketing, the most popular type in marketing, and career prospect in marketing. The last, we have quality. One, definition of quality, and second, quality improvement, and the last, insurance quality. Okay, product definition. Definition of products is something that is complex, which can be touched or not touched, which include packing price, company prestige, and company service refined by buyer to satisfy their want and need. Product definition according to expert from Phillips Toller and Phillips Kotler explain that the notion of a product is anything that can be offered, owned, used, or custom in others to be able to satisfy the needs or needs of customer. It includes physical form, service, people, place, organization, or idea. And we have William G. Stanton. William G. Stanton argued that the notion of a product is a set of tangible or intangible attribute, which include price, worker, packaging, retailer, price date, and service from the manufacturer that will be expected by the buyer as something that is capable of satisfying his or her need. Production concept. The concept commonly used by manufacturer is that customer will favor a product that has the best quality, performance, and is the most innovative. So that various other company also have to spend a lot of energy to create their product in order to be able to meet market needs and to be able make continuous improve to their customer. Product classification and type. Product can be different into several types, both in term, and product durability, or based on customers and what product customers and consume. The following is an explain of the types of product according to Philip Kotler. The first is customer product, and second, traditional product, and for third, product based on their form. On the last, product based on durability. Product tiers. Most of us, of course, already know that there are many types of product around us. However, each of the product has its own level, so the quality varies. Fendi Tiptono, in his book, explained that there are 5 product levels, namely main product, generic product, expect product, complementary product, and potential product. And marketing. Definition of marketing. Marketing is a business strategy that refers to activities carried out by companies to be able to promote the purchase or sale of product. There are several things that include marketing, one of which is advertising, sales, and product delivery to customers and others partner. What is that? Okay. And function and benefit of marketing. For the function of marketing itself, it is to connect a brand with potential customer, and in order to be able to connect properly, of course, in marketing there must be an identification process such as the need of prospective customer and how the company can meet this customer need. The most popular types of marketing. As we know, the marketing technique have a lot of technique that you can adapt to business need. So don't let it be that when you are going to carry out the marketing process, you choose the wrong type or technique, because this will have an impact on your inability to market your product later. Career prospect in marketing, as we already know, that all business need marketing. So it's no wonder that currently there are more than 11,000 of vacancies as marketing in Indonesia from Link ID data in 2020-22. This means that a career as a marketer is one of the career that is quite needed. For those of you who want a career in marketing, you can try applying for the following position in the market field. And we go to last, it's quality. What is quality? Quality is an action taken to maintain the level of quality desired by the company. This action includes a series of other activities such as determining quality standards, necessary, regulatory, and other aspects that can determine the quality of product or service. Quality improvement. Quality improvement is intended to improve the quality of product or service product by the company. Quality improvement focus on the product process. Quality control is a supervisory process to maintain production quality so that it conforms to the standard set at the outside. Insurance quality assurance is an active taken to ensure that a product or service meets specific standard. The goal is that when quality control is carried out, there are not too many products that have to be repaired. Benefit for company by using quality management is company can use all the resources more efficiently and optimally. Okay, that's all. Yeah, that's all. Cukup sekian dari kami. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.